All right, writers, I'm going to teach you a strategy today that's going to help you end your journalism piece. We're going to ask ourselves, what's the big idea? If on this side, you can see that we did this once with our fiction stories, but now we're writing nonfiction. So I'm going to teach you a strategy that you can use. The first thing that I want to do is I want to think, what should I leave my readers thinking about? At the end of your journal article, if somebody were to go back and read it, what do you want them to think about? You don't want to leave them wondering or questioning. The second thing, you can try and write a few sentences to sum up the big idea. And finally, how will you end your piece? I'm going to show you an example from a biography. So a little bit different. I'm going to zoom in here. But this is how a biography ends. Albert asked questions never asked before, found answers never found before, and dreamed up ideas never dreamt before. Albert's ideas helped build spaceships and satellites that travel to the moon and beyond. His thinking helped us understand our universe as no one ever had before. But still, Albert left us many big questions. Questions that scientists are working on today. Questions that one day you might answer by wondering, thinking, and imagining. So that author left the reader with something to think about, but not with any unanswered questions. So we want to make sure our reader is left thinking, maybe pondering or reflecting. Not confused. You're also going to look in Mr. Ant's journalism prompts for the day. You will see an example that Mr. Ant typed of how I'm going to end my journal article. So just like your lead, you might write this several times to find the perfect ending for your piece. Thanks, writers.